Hey y'all, it's Carolsue. Welcome back to my shop. Today we're in my office part. So today we're going to make coffee grunge. And if y'all don't know about coffee grunge, it's what crafters use to make dye papers, dye fabric, to make it that primitive, darker, rich, kind of vintage look. And so we're going to make coffee grunge. And what you'll need is some instant coffee. I got this from Walmart because they deliver. I got some vanilla extract and some cinnamon. This is going to be the grunge part. I got my coffee maker right here on. Excuse the way I look. So sorry. But I've been out bush hogging all day. So I thought while I was on here I could just get this done. You need 1 cup of hot water. So let me get this hot water going. And I'm going to make it in one of my spaghetti jars. Have y'all noticed classic old spaghetti sauce? Their mouths have gotten smaller. I don't know what's up with that. But I figured this would hold it. So I'm making hot water because I got my hot water heater turned on because I never used the water in here enough to turn on my water heater. So 1 cup of hot water. I'm measuring cups for the water, and 1/2 cup of coffee. Don't matter what brand or anything like that. I think I have my knives in here, but they're all in the other part of the shed. Hopefully it's bright enough in here for y'all. I've got 17 lights in this, and then I got the metal roof. So that metal roof makes it a lot brighter. Ooh, it smells good up in here. Now I'm going to start making some primitive DIYs. I don't know if any of y'all like primitive or vintage style, but I'm going to start making some of them. I got so many things I want to make right now, and not enough days to make them. I don't need any more water, so we're just going to turn it off. Okay. Right, we need 1 cup of water, hot water. And it don't matter if it's colored. I do everything with my left arm, y'all. And I'm right-handed. So this is throwing me off. Okay, don't have no spoon. I got some forks out here. Let's use my chopstick. Ooh, that smells good. Classic roast. Classic roast, medium. Rich and smooth. I got my recipe somewhere, y'all. Where's my, oh, there it is. Coffee grunge. Okay, 1/2 cup of coffee, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. And this is just cheap Walmart cinnamon. Gotta be precise. Ooh, that smells so good, y'all. And we're strong on cinnamon. And 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Vanilla. 1. Ooh, 2. And you could double the recipe. I'm just going to use 1 right now. And see, because cinnamon is off a tree bark, it will like never dissolve. I just think we eat that stuff, you know. after this cools down, you store it in the refrigerator. Oh God, if y'all could smell this, it smells some good smelling coffee. Yes. This is the original cup from the theaters for Breaking Dawn. Is it 1? No, part 2. November 16th, 2012. Yeah, should have more. Should have 3 of these. Because it's me and my husband, and I always use this as a drip thing for my coffee. I'm going to leave y'all here, and then I'll pick back up when we get the rest of the ingredients to start working on the Coffee Grunge and the coffee grub. Alright, we're back in my kitchen. Okay, got my water. We're going to go ahead and do the Coffee Grunge on my cheesecloth. There, y'all. I need to move it over here a little bit more. Okay. Hopefully this works. Yes. When you have a 1947 stove, you have to light it. You sure do. We're going to have that boiling, get it boiling, while I get some stuff together. I left my vanilla in the office. Okay. Got my coffee and got my vanilla extract. And what we're going to do is we're going to coffee grunge this cheesecloth. And like I said, we're going to be making some primitive Christmas decorations and stuff. And I have to make the coffee grunge ahead of time. Okay, y'all, it's boiling enough. And I'm going to make coffee grunge like I did in the office, but it's just going to be like coffee and vanilla only. Because I'm just going to do it to... This one is from Dollar Tree. The one I got from Walmart was $8, y'all, for a thing of instant coffee. This was $1.25. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn my burner off. It's hot enough, and I'm just going to dump. I'm not even going to measure. That's about half of it. Oh my goodness, y'all. If y'all could smell this right now. If y'all love coffee. Woo! It's a foaming. Here. Hold on. I'll take a picture for y'all. And I don't have to post it. I'll just show you the picture, huh? Okay. So it looks like it's got a good, nice color to it. Let me throw some vanilla in it. Man, that hurt my feelings having to pour coffee in this because no one... We're just throwing it in there. Oh, yes. Well, it's something you like, you know how people take oranges and cloves and stuff and get that stuff going in wintertime? Man, this is a great fall smell in your house. Okay, we're just going to take the cheesecloth and we're going to put it in there. Stove's off. See? I mean, it's like pretty good. The longer it stays in here, the darker it'll get. So I'm going to let it sit in here for a while. I wish I would have brought some ribbons with me. Oh my goodness, y'all. Smell the aroma. So we're going to have some nice primitive gauze. I'll be okay as long as I don't sling it out here and make me yank my arm off. So we're going to let it sit here for a while. And we're not going to rinse it. When it's done, I'm going to squeeze it all out. And I'm going to try my best to save this coffee. Woohoo! Some more coffee grub. Okay, y'all. I think this is long enough. It's a good dark color. still a little hot. I don't want to get it too dark. It's my first time. So I'm going to take it out of the pot and I'm going to take it outside and hang it on my wrought-iron furniture, and I'm going to save the juice. So I'll let you know what it looks like when it's done. And I still have to finish painting. Like, this is my junk journal, washi tape stuff, and cards. My son made this for us when he was a little boy. I think it was kindergarten. Really young. It's our family tree. I still got paint in here. I haven't painted in here. Still got the new drywall. This is my grandkids and my nephew that's in the military. He's in the Navy. They're in South Korea right now. My daughter and son, and us and our grandson, our grandkids, me and my hubby. Let's see what y'all can see. Oh, sorry. And see my ceiling? Love it. If you ever get a chance to do it, do it. It's so beautiful. I know my ghost I made at Christmas. Jason in Washington, D.C. for his 8th grade trip. Me and Jason. And on a go-kart when he was little. There's us and Jason's football player and Zachary and Abel. And my Freddie Mercury, my brother, painted me. And my completed junk journals. And this is going to be my shipping station. Because I just don't have room in my craft part of my building for shipping no more. And this is my t-shirt orders, and this is all the stuff, all the receipts for my shop. Because the tornado destroyed it, I have to keep all them receipts and stuff for tax purposes. And this right here is all Christmas and Halloween files, I think. Yeah. And of course my desk.